Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing a password manager that fits your needs, Cloud Sync for convenience or Local Vault for control. Install the desktop app, browser extension, and mobile app on each device now so everything can pair. Create a strong master password you can remember and enable two-factor authentication and biometrics to reduce day-to-day friction. Once installed, sign into the same account across devices so the vault can start syncing. This first phase gets all endpoints ready to exchange encrypted data. Next, import your existing passwords from browser exports or a CSV and take time to verify critical entries, banking, email, and tax accounts, while deleting duplicates. Once done, organize entries into folders or tags and add custom fields for security questions or recovery codes so you can find items quickly. Configure autofill and autosave behavior per device and enable secure sharing for vault entries you must share with family or team members. Make sure syncing is to finish, confirm synchronization on every device by checking the app's sync status and performing a manual sync to ensure the full vault appears everywhere. Set up encrypted backups and a recovery path. Use a hardware security key or designate an emergency contact so you can regain access if you lose your master password. If something goes wrong, first check network connectivity and app versions, then reauthorize or remove and re-add a device. This often clears conflicts and restores full syncing without losing data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.